So we saw a continued slide today in the markets, led again primarily down by that technology sector. But I wanted to chat briefly today about really the four pillars that have led this historic rebound from the bottom back in March. And those four pillars are the fiscal support that we've had. It's also the hope for a vaccine, in addition to better than expected economic numbers that have come out. And then also the most important pillar of all four is the support that we've had by the Fed. There's an old adage on Wall Street that says, don't fight the Fed. If the Fed is friendly, or in this case what we call dovish, in other words, basically wanting to backstop the economy and let it kind of do its thing and move higher, then that's a really good thing. And markets tend to thrive when the Fed backs basically or backstops the overall markets. What happened yesterday was the Fed came out and kind of left some out to question the level of dovishness that there is going to be going forward by the Fed. And if we don't get that level, then the markets could clearly be disappointed. So with that, one of the main targets for the Federal Reserve is to keep inflation in check. Well, we've had below typical levels of inflation for an extended period of time, 7, 8, 9 years, I think, if not longer. With that, they said that they're going to let inflation start to run, and what that would mean above their basic target of about 2%. Unfortunately, yesterday, when they had the opportunity to do so, they didn't really say what level they would let it run to, or for how long they would let it run. So that was really called into question in terms of, are they really going to kind of walk the talk? We can no longer just talk the talk. They need to back it up with action. And that was a miss from their presentation yesterday and their after comments. So with that said, I think, again, all four of those things can be called into question. The level of fiscal stimulus right now, are we going to get more? It's gone back and forth between Republicans and Democrats. It looks very watered down at this point. The hope for the vaccine, that seems to be the hot dot right now in terms of, are we going to get something before the election? Will it be after the election? Even if we get one, how long will it take for us to gain access to it? And then the economic numbers are actually starting to soften somewhat. So over the next 3 months or so, we do expect, again, continued volatility. I think big down days afford some opportunities to take some shots, but we would just caution investors. And again, we think patience prevails. But again, don't fight the Fed. But if you're questioning what the Fed's doing, that I think gives reason for some concern. Thanks so much. If we can help you individually, please give us a call. Love to help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.